Good morning, Shavua Tov, Gotavach. Thanks for tuning into the Halacha Torah Halacha Review for Sunday, November 1st. Hope everyone remembered to change your clocks back. We went back on standard time this morning at 2 a.m., so the clock should have been turned back to 1 o'clock at that point. We've been talking for the last couple of days about Kriyat Shema Shalamita, about Shema, the bedtime Shema, reciting Shema before one goes to bed. This sequence of prayers that's in your siddur are recited only when you go to sleep at night. If you're taking a nap in the afternoon, or if you're sleeping during the day because you were traveling overnight or something, we do not recite it. Mishnah Berurah, however, suggests that one should recite at least the verse of Vihi Noam, which we said the concluding verse there of Psalm 90. Now, what about a person who works at night and sleeps during the day? So their schedule is a little bit inverted. So indeed, when they go to sleep, whether it's 7 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, they do say Kriyat Shema Shalamita because their functional nighttime, the time when they get their good night's sleep, hopefully, happens to be during daylight hours when the rest of us are up and around. There is a question amongst the poskim whether one should recite Kriyat Shema Shalamita if you go to sleep before Alos HaShachar. In other words, before dawn comes up, before beginning the daybreak, and you're going to fall asleep after. So right in that time, what do you do? Anyway, it shouldn't be up that late in any case. What about a day sleep that extended into the night? You came home, you took a nap after the end of a long work day, and then you just stayed asleep the whole night. Hamapil and Kriyat Shema that we're speaking about should not be recited if you went to sleep before nightfall and you plan to sleep through the night. If you went to sleep during the day and you didn't fall asleep before nightfall, you should say Hamapil, the bracha of Hamapil, and Kriyat Shema. If you went to sleep during the day and awoke during the middle of the night, no need to say these brachas when you wake up. What about going to sleep after noon? After midnight, chatzos, midnight. Some of the opinion that you shouldn't say it, others say you should recite it. One should say Hamapil after chatzos unless you have a specific custom not to. If you say Hamapil whenever you have intention to sleep for more than a half an hour at nighttime. Some say it's only if you're going to sleep for more than an hour. If there's ever a doubt, if you're not sure how long you're going to sleep for, so then we do not say it. You're not required to stand when saying the bracha Hamapil. With regard to Kriyat Shema, you should preferably recite it while standing or at least sitting. If you're already lying down on your side, you could say Kriyat Shema in that position, as long as you have said the Shema of Mariv at the proper time. If you plan to recite Shema in order to fall asleep, another say it a few times, you can recite it while lying down. Okay, so join us tomorrow. We will talk about interruptions during this prayer. In the meantime, have a wonderful day and a good week. We should hear good news. Bye-bye.